Which word in paragraph 2 is incorrect? A. Geared, B. Rise, C. Prevalent, or D. Quarter? With a question like this one, when we're being asked to select a single word that's incorrect, the first thing we want to do is see if there are any homophones in our choices. As a quick review, homophones refers to two or more words that sound the same when spoken but are written differently and have different meanings. For example, for and whale. In this case, however, we don't see any homophones among our choices. The next best step in a case like this would be to look for something spelled incorrectly. Again, taking a quick look, we can see that all of our choices have been spelled correctly. As a final resort, we merely need to go through each choice, read the sentence, and, considering the definition of the given word, determine if it's being used properly. A. Geared. We find the word geared in sentence 6, which tells us that last year, Lao Lu was asked to become the art director for a new campaign geared to raise awareness among African youth about the dangers of malaria. As geared means designed or aimed, which we can see fits in this context, this can be marked as incorrect. B. Rise. We see rise in the same sentence, a new campaign geared to raise awareness among African youth. This is likely our answer. Even without the exact grammatical knowledge as to why, chances are this sounded wrong to your ears. The correct word would be raise, to raise awareness. Although the words are connected, rise implies simply something going up or becoming larger, while raise implies making something go up or become larger. Based on this, we can see that raise would be appropriate in this case, and rise is not correct. This is likely our answer, but we can take a look at the other choices just to be sure. C. Prevalent. We see prevalent in sentence 8. Malaria is a mosquito-borne disease that is most prevalent in Africa. As prevalent means widespread or common, which accurately describes malaria's impact in Africa, we can see that prevalent is used appropriately here, and this choice can be marked as incorrect. And D. Quarter. We see quarter appear in the same sentence, with Lao Lu's home country of Nigeria accounting for almost a quarter of the more than 400,000 people that died from the disease each year. Here, the word quarter refers to a fraction, specifically 1/4. As this is used appropriately to describe the number of deaths in Nigeria from malaria, we can see that it's used correctly here. Therefore, this can be marked as incorrect, and our original answer of choice B can be marked as our final answer.